Hi, today we are creating a lighthouse. Let's start from our drawings. Close all the lines of your drawings and then you are basically ready to go. You can just tap on top of them to get the 3D. Very easy. Once you are done with that, you can basically tap on top of it and adjust the height. Let's rotate. You just press the right button and adjust the axis in the best way you think. Let's move on with the cylinder shape to create the base. And right now I will just slide on the side face to adjust the shape. If you want to resize, just pinch with your fingers. If you want to box select, just drag your fingers. Okay, now let's duplicate the shape and let's increase the height of our model. You can repeat this as many times as you want. And if you want to change the color, just double tap on top of the shape and you can edit. I will now create the windows of the lighthouse by starting from a sphere shape. You will right now just duplicate, lift and resize and keep repeating the process as I'm showing to you. This is quite easy. Let's move on with the terrace. I will use the cylinder shape to create the floor. Always double tap to enter the edit mode. And I will change the color and material from the bottom part. If I want to create the structure of the terrace, I will start from a cylinder shape and I will always double tap to enter the edit mode. Right now it's up to you. And for example, entering edit mode gives you a lot of creativity. I will now duplicate all the sticks and group all my creation. In this way I can control it much easier and I can lift it up on top of my lighthouse. Let's move on with the light radar. It follows the same process as the terrace. Very easy, you just need to be creative. Change material, size, and add your own light bulb on the top, as you can see. Let's cover some new features. I will now trash the creation. As you could see, I just slide down till the trash bin icon. If I want to undo any action, I can tap with 2 fingers and I come back basically. If I want to redo any action, I just tap on the screen with 3 fingers. Let's finalize our light radar by creating a donut shape. You can use your creativity. I just now lift it up and put it on place. But you can use all the rest of the primitives to make your own style. I will now select everything I have and group it. In this way it will be much easier to control all the creation. So let's move on with the terrain. Just duplicate your drawing and go ahead with your creativity. Same thing for the rocks. You just duplicate them on place, enter in edit mode with double tap, then you resize them and you will achieve your very nice rock that you are just ready to go group again and duplicate to create an interesting landscape.